Sick. All right, so we got this truck back to the house. There is like a trunk or treat thing we're trying to make, and I've kind of started just mocking up the tank, the compressors. I think that's where I'm gonna put them. I don't know 100% certain. The wife is in there, dude. She has been killing it on cleaning this damn truck. She's like taking it upon herself, like a personal vendetta or something to like clean this truck, and it's looking so much better. So very appreciative of that, and I'm just absorbing every bit of that. While she's doing that, I'm trying to figure out how we're gonna mount the tank, the compressors, plumb all the electrical for the switches. Oh man, I'm thinking the bed's probably gonna come back off. We'll see. Still in planning, but when I have a direct plan, I'll pick back up then. But we also have to figure out the battery, get it more secure before this. I've got valve covers and some other mechanical parts, a new transmission bushing deal. I've got an MBS brake master cylinder or something. It's off an MBS for the OBS. Apparently it helps the brakes. I don't know. Father-in-law talked me into it, so if we get that far, I'll try that. But anyway, still got lots of parts and a week. So it's like a week crunch to try to just get to a local trunk or treat. But it's little things that kind of spur the drive to get things done. So I get a game plan and we'll pick up from there. See you guys in just a second. All right, HyLo gang, it's been a couple days. I ended up getting this laid out how I feel is best. This is mostly temporary. I say that because I'm gonna use these parts, but I doubt they're gonna stay where I currently have them. This is what I came up with. This obviously tank laid here. As you can see, the bed floor is pushing up by that wishbone. So yikes. Minor changes for sure gonna have to be made. Just wanna do an update. That's where we're at. I still gotta wire the compressors in. I got my new ABS switches in. I do have a pigtail that's going from the VU4 in between that and this ABS, because obviously this has to be in the cab with me. And I'm thinking about doing a battery relocate. I still got some stuff I gotta figure out. I've got 3 days before the trunk or treat and only afternoons available to work on it because Saturday is the day. I've also still got some mechanical stuff I need to get to. Lots and lots and lots to do. So let me figure out where I'm gonna start, pick back up, and then you guys will be right there with me at that point. See you then.
Got any blue tape?
Maybe. Look, oh, he's got a district shirt on.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Those of you who may know the old Terex that's on the TXMD banner I've got back here from the old channel. If you don't know, that's Aaron. I conned him into coming to help me, so he felt bad, really. Where I left off is I got the valve covers undone, or so I thought. Put them on and went to go start the truck. I go start it and it's just turning over, turning over, turning over. I was like, oh, okay, yeah. In my mind, I just pushed the valves all the way down. So it's not gonna build compression, not gonna start. So I took it off, redid it. Then one of the push rods on the lifter was being all weird, and then I tried to retrieve it because it wouldn't move. Well, then it just fell off in the intake. So now, that's where insert Aaron feeling bad for me. He's like, dude, I'll just come freaking help you. So that's where I'm currently at. Tearing the top of the motor, retrieving the push rod, hopefully putting the motor back together, and then seeing where we're at from that point. See you guys in a second. All right, so that's broken, that's bent. I'm pretty sure that's bent. That's broke. I don't know if you can see the crack. That's bent. I don't know exactly. I mean, I got an idea how I did it. Are you impressed by this, or are you? Oh, let me back. Are you more shocked?
I don't expect anything really. I went into this with no intentions. Just kind of winging it, but
some things never change. So that's why it's.
Here's the original one that went disappeared.
Yeah, that's
inside the motor. So
that's what we were chasing. No wonder it fell over on the or in the intake because it's broken pieces. Am I sad-ish? Yeah, kinda, if I'm being honest. It's not ideal, especially for a show that's next weekend, but I got something brewing. May do it, may not, I don't know yet. But all in all, I'm not gonna continue to invest money into this motor. But yes, I did tear it up. Hard lessons learned when you're trying to learn stuff. You know, things good old dad should have taught you. I didn't learn. But now I can tell my son, hey, don't do that. So, yeah, valve, lash adjustment gone wrong. This is what happens when you do it incorrectly. So when I started the motor, after I did it, I got no compression. I didn't hear like bangs, pops, like nothing, like the ignition felt good. That's what I was just telling Aaron. So I think honestly what I did is cranking them way down because the torque wrench and the process in which I went about it, I got bad, I'm not gonna say bad information because he sent me some. The information I was going off of was not 100% correct initially. Shout out to YouTubers. So did that, my torque wrench is bad. Here we are. It's no good. Anyway, now to figure out what I'm gonna do motor-wise, but we still got other stuff we can do, and that's what him and I were just talking about. We're gonna mess with this. We're gonna just go ahead and yank this out. I don't know. So you guys will know as soon as we know, but I'll see you in a second. Okay, same shirt, pretty much same outfit from the last time you seen me, but it's actually been a few days. Where we left off, I was telling you guys what was going on with this, and then I may have something brewing up. That something has happened, and I'm gonna end the video with it right here. So, I'm not gonna say drum roll or anything. I may turn the light on because it's kind of dark over here, but not the LS, this little bad boy right here. This is a Kubota V2203. It's a 2.2 liter, 4-cylinder, obviously Kubota diesel. I'm sure you guys are like, what? There's a guy I work with, and he's actually a YouTuber. I think it's PM Garage. I'll put it right here. But he put one of these in his little Jeep. I get it, a little different. But he went through another company called Overland Diesel, I believe, which I can link them. And they had an adapter kit for this engine to a GM transmission. I was so impressed by Pete's little freaking Jeep that I was like, yo, I want to do the same thing. So I found this little engine. I was told it's running. I don't know anything about it. I don't know anything about this engine other than the fact that the guy was like, yeah, you know, it was running when I pulled it. So I really hope that's true. We will see. But for now, to end this very sporadic and all over the place video, this might, I hope, I'll say it that way, I hope this little thing will be getting shoehorned in place of that. So hopefully the next time you see me, we'll be pulling this motor and trying to actually get this one in. Maybe between then we'll verify that it runs. That would probably be highly important and make a lot of sense. Anyway, guys, again, I know this video's all over the place. I'm sorry, but anyway, if you made it this far, I greatly appreciate it. Make sure you bam, y'all know what to do. Greatly appreciate it. Hey, we'll see you guys on the next one.